sometimes water softener dealers will do dumb things like take the anode and cut it off. They have stinky water. They
You
cut
see
the
it, not
anode
me.
off. If they've done that, what have you noticed as the liability when they just cut the anode off?
So they always ask the customer to sign a waiver. So they are good with that. But the customer, the water heater warranty will be void because you don't have protection anymore. And depending on the water heater will go out very fast. And it's more, like I was saying, it's more and more expensive. There's new regulation coming in the coming years that will make it even more expensive for you to buy a water heater. Removing the anode, if you just bought a $2,000 water heater, doesn't make any sense. You're just removing the protection you have against corrosion.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And when you have odor in a water heater, it's a symptom of a corrosion problem.
Yes.
And removing the anode doesn't fix the problem.
No, it makes it worse.
Yeah, replacing the anode with an impressed current device, that helps fix the problem and the symptom.
Yeah.
But you might even still have to do additional water treatment before the water heater to protect things and help things work better.
Yes.
That makes a lot of sense because a true water treatment specialist provides solutions. They come to people's homes, they solve their water problems, they make their lives better.
Yes.
And you don't want to create unintended consequences. If you've got high TDS water and you put a softener on, there are unintended consequences. And unless you plan ahead and put in Corro-Protec or a similar product that's properly certified and safe,
yes,
then you're going to have problems down the line and you're not really helping your customer. In our dealership in Utah, what we do is anytime we're installing a water softener and we're working with a water heater and our TDS is higher than 500 parts per million, they automatically get a Corro-Protec. Because we want to avoid any potential future issues.
No matter what type of water treatment you put first, we will be able to help with that.
This is Greg Reyneke with Drinkable, the Water Podcast. Watch or listen to the full episode with Corro-Protec by clicking the link below.